Native to South America, capybaras aren't just the world's largest rodents, they're also its most easygoing roommates. Friendliness level 100%. Social guinea pigs live in groups of 10-20 and adopt everyone. Birds, monkeys, even crocodiles get invites to their pool parties. Zero drama as herbivores. They don't hunt, just vibe. Their life motto? You do you, as long as you don't block my sunbath. Cuddle pros, they show love by grooming, stacking like pancakes, and using friends as pillows. Nap goals. Survival champs adapt to jungles, grasslands, and even your heart to cheesy. Sorry, aquatic ninjas swim like pros, hold their breath for 5 minutes, and probably judge your dog paddle.